Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we will talk about the application of PET band material. We have a full range of PET band material, including the application of Frontlit, Backlit, Blockout. Our PET band material is compatible with solvent, eco-solvent, UV and latex printing, both single-side printing and double-side printing. The PET band material is mainly used on display equipment, especially roll-up. You can see them in shop windows or throughout shopping centers and pharmacies, large retail stores and convenience stores. In addition to being used for retail and trade exhibitions, it is also suitable for corporate halls, medical offices and hospitals, schools, sitting halls, libraries, and other municipal areas. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.